I could not find a reliable video on how to remove the main hatch / tailgate trim, so in this video we do exactly that and give you a specific walkthrough. Be forewarned, the hatch trim is made of a plastic piece and a carpeted piece, and I make a decently sized mistake and break the plastic clips that hold the two together. Luckily, they both have metal clips by design and hold just fine on their own. Regardless, we'll cover the procedure and point out the mistake. Let's get started. So there are clips here. One of mine broke, the rest survived. And then they have things that love to stay inside here. These are the tough ones. So that likes to stay in. The same clips, this one will stay in, this one will take out. And it did not break the plastic, luckily. And the only clip that broke is this, which wasn't even holding on that well either here. Okay, starting from this end. Oh, and the glass hood is in the way. And that was easy, just two clips. And a clip that's broken here, unfortunately. That happens. If we get annoyed by the rattles, we'll replace it. Same on the other one. So to avoid breaking it, the left goes down. And just release it out. And down. There we go. Not horrible. Although both of mine did crack at the corner here. So something to note. Maybe I could be more careful, maybe that's due to age. If you care about that more, you can be more careful. In the bottom left. So that broke off for sure. So next is the inside grab handle, and it's 3 Torx screws. Couple of clips like so, on the sides and on the bottom. That side does not come out. Okay. The hard clips basically have to start at the bottom and get these clips out. And then this is where those obnoxious, difficult clips are located. You want to work one side loose. Luckily, none of mine broke off and none of mine got stuck inside, but I did break off some plastic. And that's what it looks like. With that, we can start attacking the tailgate trim. And that is much easier once you have the top piece off. There are a couple wires here. You'll want to disconnect the top connector. And there we go. And the trim comes off. You want to disconnect the connector at the right. And watch out for your eyes. They're looking up. Okay, the yank clips. Only one came out at the bottom here. The rest are inside. Now the final trim piece goes back on to add the buttons and the lights back. I don't think I will actually repair these ends that I irreparably tore off of the other one because they both have metal clips. So I don't think that will cause issues. And if it does, if it causes rattling and issues, then I will take it back off and replace it, but I have a hunch that this was just over-engineered. And actually, it's better to leave this broken for now, I think. So with this, just the clip goes right back on. Taking a mental tab of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metal clips that go on relatively where they are. 7 metal clips relatively where they are. Reconnecting the connector. And reinserting the metal clips. There you go. You can give it a love tap. And pop right in. And now we've done the rear camera and the rear hatches. This is the plastic piece on which I broke all of these plastic things off by mistake. And this is the moment of truth. Don't stand directly under it, or if you do, wear eye protection because sharp plastic fell in my eye. Just for thingies that go on. There we go. The 4 clips are pretty adequate. I mean, is there movement? Is there movement of this thing now? Yeah. At an angle I can see a bit of metal here poking through. But I can now gain access to it again in the future. And literally the only downside of having the metal clips broken is a bit of space between this carpet and a bit of metal peeking through. So for a family hauler, I'm not going to put in all these plastic JV weld clips, because what if I have to get into this again when they come out with like 8K rear cameras? So I don't care, I'm gonna leave this. And now the side trim pieces can go back on. Yes, 1, 2 clips, make sure they are available for us to use. It appears these plastic pieces are broken clean off, so I don't need to worry about them being attached here. And it looks like it might be easier to do. Give it a good snap, we're good to go. And last but not least, once we've decimated this, there are a series of clips at the bottom here. And I believe this will help hold everything together and avoid rattling. I'm over being gentle with the trim. I'm tired and done with worrying about these clips. Okay, what's there?